In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Then tap on About Phone section at the top and click on device name next to Android version. Finally, type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, to save your new name, click on OK in device name pop-up and then also OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!